Distinguished guests, esteemed partner, Ms. Angela Lusigi, Resident Representative UNDP and her team from UNDP, my dear and young representatives of corporate and public sector undertakings, members of civil society, and non-governmental organizations from Mizoram and beyond. Ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon to all of you. It's a privilege to be here today for the launch of Mizoram CSR Connect. Let me begin by thanking UNDP India, the Planning and Program Implementation Department, and the CSR cell in the Chief Minister's Office for their dedicated intensive work in making this initiative a reality. I also extend a warm welcome to our CSR partners, foundations, NGOs who have joined us from different parts of the country, as well as senior government officials from the state. We are proud of our peaceful society, high literacy, strong community values, and our culture of hawnnaa, meaning the spirit of selfless service. Based on 3 data, such as CMS India Corruption Study, Transparency International India, Niti Aayog notes, the highest rate of corruption among the states in the country is Uttar Pradesh. It is 81%. Mizoram is 16%, the lowest in the country. Despite strong political will and challenges, sorry ma'am, I would say opportunities, and social indicators, Mizoram has received a very limited CSR investment over the years. In fact, our state accounts for only a very small fraction at about 0.06% of India's total CSR spending during the fiscal year 2023-24. This has not been due to a lack of need, but rather to limited visibility, constrained access, and the absence of a structured engagement mechanism. The population of Mizoram as of today is 13 times less than the number of vehicles registered in Delhi. Such a small population and a small size, it is quite manageable. At the same time, we face serious and pressing challenges. These include gaps in healthcare and mental health services, rising concerns related to substance abuse and suicides, as we have seen in the presentation, persistent issues of malnutrition and maternal and child death, deficiencies in school infrastructure and skill training, limited livelihood opportunities in rural areas, and high exposure to landslides, earthquakes, and climate-related risks. While the state government is doing its best, the support of private sectors to share responsibility and long-term commitment would greatly strengthen and enhance outcomes. In recognizing this, the government of Mizoram took a decisive step in June 2024 by establishing a dedicated CSR cell under the Chief Minister's Office. This institutional arrangement was designed to ensure political ownership, effective coordination across departments, timely decision-making, and above all, trust and accountability in the implementation of CSR initiatives. This CSR cell works across departments and sectors, and it is chaired by an elected member of Legislative Assembly, who is also my confidant as advisor to finance and planning. While this institutional framework was essential, we were equally conscious that it needed to be supported by a transparent and efficient system. Mizoram CSR Connect represents that system, which will be managed by CSR Cell. Through this platform, corporates can easily identify and verify high-impact projects with confidence, while implementing agencies can present their expertise and proposals with clarity. The progress and outcomes of projects jointly implemented by corporates and implementing agencies can be transparently tracked by all stakeholders. In Mizoram, our focus area include healthcare and mental health, education, skills and livelihoods, agriculture, environment and disaster mitigation, and community-based development, where CSR engagement can create visible and lasting impact. To our CSR partners, I wish to convey that Mizoram is ready to join hands with you as we offer peace and stability, responsive government support, and communities that take ownership of development initiatives. I can guarantee you that every rupee invested in Mizoram will have the potential to generate deep and meaningful outcomes. Our implementing agencies are our strongest allies in the facilitation of developmental works that are crucial for our development on the ground. I would like to reiterate once again that this platform is designed to empower you with simplify processes, enhance clarity, and support your work with trust and institutional backing. Friends, development today is not about working in silos. It is about collaboration and purposeful engagement to solve common issues and to achieve our common goals. Therefore, Mizoram CSR Connect is our invitation to partner with us and to co-create solutions and to build a more inclusive and healthier Mizoram. Let us move forward together, guided by trust, transparency, and the shared spirit of hawnnaa. Thank you for being part of this journey. Thank you.